Have you made it in life? Or are you planning to make it in life? This is what you needed to know. It is not how smart you are that you will make it or that you have made it, but it is by the mercy God shows unto you. And that is why you are to continually remember the Lord thy God, for it is he who giveth thee power to make wealth. Don't be like a rich fool who had a lot in his sight and thought that is all he needed. His story can be found in Luke chapter 12 from verse 13 to 21. His end was death because he preferred his wealth than God, thinking it was his capacity that made him rich. So in no account should you forget God while making it, while you have made it on this earth, because it is he who giveth thee the power to make that wealth.